your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them o'er your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Do your ears stand high? Do they reach up to the sky? Do they droop when they are wet? Do they stiffen when they're dry? Can you summon o'er your neighbor with a minimum of labor? Do your ears stand high? Do your ears flip-flop? Can you use them as a mop? Are they stringy at the bottom? Are they curly at the top? Can you use them for a swatter? Can you use them for a blotter? Do your ears flip-flop? Are your ears real small, barely visible at all? Do they look just like two peanuts stuck into a bowling ball? Can you store them in a thimble when you're feeling rather nimble? Are your ears real small? Are your ears quite clean? Do they have a lovely sheen? Did you harvest all the vegetables that grow down in between? Did you wash out all the soil after all your farming toil? Are your ears quite clean? Are your ears so thin? Do the breezes make them spin? Can you shine a light right through them like the finest onion skin? Can you wrap up a salami? Do they fold like origami? Are your ears so thin? Do your ears stick out? Can you waggle them about? Can you flap them up and down as you fly around the town? Can you shut them up for sure when you hear an awful bore? Do your ears stick out?
Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
We're going to move more than your lips here, guys. I want you to make a swing. You say, go ahead and sit down right where you are and make a swing. Now watch very carefully. Swing low. Way down the left. Okay. Point to your teeth because you get a cavity by eating what? Sweet. Sweet. Now you got a chariot ride. Put your hands out here. Chariot. Okay, you can't do a chariot ride just by doing like this. They didn't have shock absorbers back in the chariots in the old times. So you got to really shake hard. Let's see everybody do the good old chariot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chariot. And your voice has to go like this. Chariot. Okay, it can't be a nice, beautiful sounding chariot. Okay, so let's work that part right there. Make a swing.
Swing.
Swing low, sweet,
Sweet chariot.
Okay, watch very carefully.
Watch.
Coming for to carry me home. Make your home. Okay, do swing low again. Swing low, sweet chariot. You got to do the chariot right. I'm seeing people just shaking their heads. You got to get into it. Okay, ready? Coming for.
Coming for to carry me home.
Okay, let's give it a whole.